Okay guys, I'm just heading back to my car right now. I gotta get on the road and get to the airport so I don't miss my flight back to Calgary. And I'm just leaving the Mother Earth News Fair, and I have to say, what an incredible 48 hours to be amongst all these amazing thinkers. If you've ever considered coming to one of these festivals, I highly recommend it. It's just unbelievable. So I started off this trip talking about the politics in Alberta and how we have just elected a right-wing government, and how, while I don't really buy into the right-wing politics, the way I've been thinking about it is that it's just kind of a new leader rearranging deck chairs on a listing Titanic, and right-wing is just a right list and left-wing is just a left list, but ultimately the ship is still sinking, and these politicians aren't really discussing the important factors that are affecting the world that so desperately need to be dealt with. But coming to a place like this, what's super interesting is we've got people that are building handmade tools, innovating new organic techniques for growing food and farming. We've got people that are helping people to heal themselves by selling health products. And just the amount of education and knowledge that is being shared at this festival is unbelievable. And so we need to get more people out to these types of fairs. I highly recommend any Mother Earth News Fair, just in terms of the content and the information that you can get here. I had a comment on my last video saying that about 12% of the population is what it needs to get politicians to pay attention. And so when you come to places like this and you see literally thousands and thousands of people congregating around these ideas and this information, it gives me enormous amounts of hope. And so I think one of the best things that I can do is help to promote these events and get as many people out to them as possible, because that's where that groundswell is going to occur. So hopefully you found this video interesting. I've interspersed it with some B-roll of some of the people that I met. I'm going to be at the next Mother Earth News Fair in Maryland, and I'm going to do a whole bunch of interviews with various folks. I ended up talking with some really neat people selling hand pumps, and as well as composting toilets, and just too many vendors for me to even list off in this video. And so I'm going to do individual interviews with those folks and let them tell you about what they're offering and why it might be something you want to consider for your home, acreage, or farm. So if you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned to the channel for lots of additional content on all of this sort of stuff. And I hope I'll see you in one of the Mother Earth News Fairs coming up, and we can have a conversation. Okay guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon.